Honorable Member of the National Assembly, distinguished guests, fellow Filipinos, on this day, I, President Shalame Maribi Oca, talks about illegalizing all types of bullying nowadays is so rampant in any establishments, but most of it happened in public places, such as in school. Every student has no right to discriminate nor step on someone's dignity. Anti-bullying law is a must, an important law for the safety, for the peaceful environment for the bullying victim that they want to have. The defendant of this might charge into 4 years imprisonment. In a legal age, for the minor age, they might get into the hold of the SWD. Limit of households to 1-car households should be limited to 1. This would be beneficial as less gas would be saved. Also, this would cut down on the greenhouse gas emissions, causing the environment to thrive. This would help keep the air cleaner and possess the healthier environment. This can also reduce the traffics and disturbances, most especially in urban places. Make every criminal defendant use the public defender system. Right now, criminal justice defendants face, in essence, 2 different systems. Rich defendants get out on bail, hire expensive, skilled counsel, and frequently are acquitted or lightly punished. Poor defendants can get bail, have overworked and underpaid public defenders, and often plead guilty to crimes they didn't commit, to crimes in order to get out the jail. Therefore, a poor defendant and a rich defendant charged with the exact same crime face far different outcomes that have nothing to do with their guilt and innocence. Since the wealthy are more likely to get away with the crimes, they have less incentive not to commit them in the first place. That's the reason why I'll implement this law to equalize treatment under our criminal system. Public internet access necessity. Nowadays, internet is essential. It's either you are a student or a worker, anyone. This is a widespread and common that people frequently connect to them without thinking twice. This policy conveys people to use this tool to any things that are needed and specifically do the things that needed internet connection to them without thinking twice. This policy conveys people to use this tool to any things that are needed and specifically do the things that needed internet connection. By this, they can easily access and carry out the things that they must access in. Increase of public schools, scholarships, guarantees in secondary and tertiary. One of the reasons why there are a lot of people that can't afford the fees that the college universities requires. A lot of dreams are dissipated because of high tuition fees. By this law, they are able to study and to hand in their dreams for free or in less expenses. This is benefit those also ones our country also benefits. That's all.